guys, it's time to customize this Roblox character. Black hair will look good. Yeah, black hair will look good. I'm going for a thing. Oops, mistake. So you know what I'm going for? You know what I'm going for? I'm going for blonde skin. Oh, blonde skin. Yeah, I'm going for blonde skin. Wait, I'm going for this hold on. I wasn't allowed to say it. No, it's not gonna be a secret. It's not gonna be a secret. Okay, whatever. Let's get back to the show. Anyways, let's go customize this Roblox character.
Lexi, stop.
Hold on. Let me back up. Yeet. Hold on. I have to get
No.
Hold on.
No.
A little bit. So this will make it way much easier to do this. So let's go. Okay. Don't get interested of the girl that's talking in the background, but whatever. Okay, I still have 10 minutes to get this done.
No, it was more like this. No. It was more like this.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm coming to destroy. And don't ask why that noise is popping in the background. So sad too.
You're gonna be me.
I got to go for this one.
Look.
What's that? It's giving girly vibes. It's giving girly vibes. Good.
What are you doing? My video.
Oh yeah, that's my little sister. So yeah, customizing my avatar. I'm gonna draw her with long nails. Nails. Nails.
I don't know. I have to think about it. Look how back I can go. Wait, hold on.
Those are nails. Giving a bad.
Are you serious?
Be quiet.
Don't be quiet. Stop.
Don't play.
Stop.
Don't
Now we're
play.
just gonna
Stop.
do this.
No.
So stop.
Oh my god. Okay.
Huh?
Back up.
What is that?
Oh no. Oh no.
Stop.
This is
Stop.
a really bad time. So you know those little faceless things? Like those faceless things?
Celsius.
I'm going for red. Red.
No, please stay.
Red shoes. Yeah, I'm going with red shoes. Don't bother.
Be calm.
And lastly, green pants.
Please stay.
Green
Why don't you want to stay?
pants.
don't-
Yeah, green pants. I don't know why I love these so much, but they look so cute. I don't know why I love these so much, but whatever. Don't ask. Don't ask. Okay, it makes me embarrassed.
Lexi, stop.
Wait. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I have the perfect idea to get headless. No, I customized it white. What are you doing? I customized it
Why
white.
would you do that, Lexi?
Stop. I'm customizing it white.
Because it's fun talking to you, because you're funny.
I don't know, stop. I choose white. What are you doing? Wait. There. Why is not white going on? Oh yeah, I almost forgot you can do these. Wait. Oh no. Got lost. Whatever.
Ready? I'm gonna cough up a rock, okay?
Bulbous. So we're just gonna.
I'm weird.
So you know. Come on, whatever.
Lexi,
And
don't be like that now.
must be it for today. Wait. I still need to do Hellas.
And it's fine.
How stupid of me, but whatever. Bye.